60 Seconds with Steve, and this is Phil. Phil, what model trailer you got?
I've got a Cruiser Slide.
How long you had it?
2.5 years now.
How far did you travel to get here?
We come up from near Taree, so about just over 2,000 k's.
Fantastic. Best place you've been with your MDC camper?
Out here's up here, but Fraser Island's right up there too.
What's your favourite place to visit in Australia with your camper?
Probably Barrington Tops.
Barrington Tops,
Yeah.
fantastic. Any particular spot in the Barrington?
Little Murray.
Fantastic. Any bucket list plans in the future for places you want to go?
We'll be back out here again. We're going to Fraser again, so but probably ultimately the Cape.
The thing you love most about your trailer?
It's been through hell and it's still going.
Fantastic. And what is the furthest distance you've travelled? Is it this trip?
Yeah, well, probably Fraser. No, actually, no, it'd be this trip too. Yeah.
Have you been checking your wheel nuts?
Never had an issue with them in 2.5 years.
Good man, thanks.